Hey, if you want to look 10 years younger and 10 pounds lighter, this video is for you.
Let's go.
Hi there, Coach Tonya with Criticalbench, joined by Coach Klepacki today.
Yeah.
No suit, it's Coach Klepacki in the flesh.
Here I am.
You know, a lot of us are walking around with really ugly forward head posture, drooping shoulders, and a lot of pain in our neck and our back. And actually, a lot of us that have this don't even realize it, and we're having a lot of other health complications because of it, okay? So what we're gonna do is, Coach Klepacki actually is gonna show you 3 fantastic exercises to start fixing this right now and have you feeling and looking a whole lot better. And if you like this, you're gonna love what's in this program. We have Forward Head Posture Fix. Click that pinned comment below. It's gonna take you to a link to get it right now, because this is a 10 exercise program of the best exercises to fix this really nasty looking posture that's causing you a lot of health issues that you may not even be connecting the two. So click that pinned comment. You're gonna get the whole program, but we're gonna show you 3 exercises from this program so you can start working on this right now. Okay, so let's give them a shot again of that nasty, ugly, not feeling good. Now, just to look at him, he doesn't even look happy. Now, you think years or weeks and months and years of this kind of posture, it, you know, over time becomes more accentuated. And what'll happen is you get that tightness in the neck, okay? You get sore tightness, you know, up in the upper back, your middle back, you know, it gets all out of alignment, and your, you know, your lumbar spine, your lower back. And some of the health issues that can happen as a result are things like migraines. Like a lot of people that suffer from migraines, it's, you know, they've got that, their chin juts out and they've got all that tightness in their neck, okay? Very poor quality sleep. If your spine is not in alignment, you are not sleeping well. You go to bed feeling lousy, you have poor quality sleep, you wake up feeling lousy, okay? Another one is you look shorter. Let's show them the difference. Turn to the side, yeah, okay, so there, over the years, so by the time Coach Klepacki is in his 60s, he's only gonna be about 3 feet tall. But seriously, over, you know, you go from this position, okay, to a nice straight line spine, okay, there's a whole like inch and a half of height gained. The other thing that I really want you to pay attention is how you look weight-wise, because poor posture can have you looking up to 10 pounds heavier than you really are. Now straighten up, whew. Like insta fat loss, right?
Yeah.
You know, and so that's what you, I think I've seen some Instagram posts of people showing like how posture can really change how you look, not just in the flesh, but on camera, all right? So our first exercise is very easy. You need a flat wall or some kind of flat surface. It's called a wall chin tuck. Now, the goal is, now depending how tight you are or how out of whack your posture is, it can be very hard to keep heels against the wall and your lower back against the wall. I mean, I can't do it because I'm really tight. Coach Klepacki's pretty good. So what you're gonna do, what he's gonna show you is he's flat against the wall, okay? And it's a very slight shift. He's gonna take that chin and he's gonna tuck it in and hold it for 3, 2, 1, and relax. And he's gonna do that again. And you wanna do that about 8 repetitions. This only takes a couple minutes. And it's just gonna work on fixing that nasty sort of chin jutting, text neck, forward head posture that a lot of us have, especially if we sit at computers all day. We spend a lot of time on our phones and our social media, okay? Very good. Excellent. Okay, the next exercise I want to show you is, I call it a 90-degree arm raise. So, same position against the wall, elbows at 90 degrees to the floor, palms facing out. And the goal is to very slowly raise your arms up while keeping your shoulders and your back against the wall. Now, if your shoulders start to come off the wall, I know, if your shoulders start to come off the wall, or you find that your back starts to arch away from the wall, that's okay. You just, over time, if you continue to do these a few times a day, that will start to correct. Your shoulders coming off the wall and your back coming off the wall is an indication of how tight your back is and just how much your posture has suffered. So let's show that again. So raising the arms up. And now I've seen people that can only like go to about here. Like that's as far as they can go. And I've seen people that go right up and can actually bring their palms together.
Yeah, I can't.
But I haven't seen many people do that, but that's someone that actually, people that do that are The people that I have seen able to do that are people that actually incorporate posture exercises into their daily workouts.
Yeah,
you know?
this is definitely challenging.
It's harder than it looks. It's a lot harder because I can't do it without my back completely comes off the wall.
Yeah, I mean, you can do it like this.
Oh yeah, but that's not the goal. Yeah, so keep in mind when you're doing these, do them properly as best you can, because cheating isn't going to improve your posture and it's not going to help. Do them the best that you can to the maximum limit that you can, and just continue to repeat. Again, you want to do about 8 repetitions of that. And these exercises and the 10 exercises in the Forward Head Posture Fix program, they only take a few minutes, and you can do that 2 to 3 times a day, and you will be amazed at how quickly you're going to see and feel the results, like honestly. Okay, so those are the 90-degree wall raises. Now the next one's actually one of my favorites, probably because I can do it better than that one. I always leave it to the end because I feel better. And I call it a 45-degree wall fly. Again, same position, and you're gonna start with palms out, arms against the wall at 45 degrees low. And what you're going to do, what Coach Kopacki's gonna do, is he's gonna raise his arms to 45 degrees high. Same idea, trying to keep the back flat against the wall, shoulders flat against the wall, and keeping that chin in a neutral position so the head isn't coming up or drooping. Again, 5 to 8 repetitions. If you find that your shoulders are coming off the wall, if you find that your back is arching, it's okay. Just continue to do these exercises daily, and you're going to very quickly see an improvement. Yeah. Just like that. How did that one feel? Do you feel better doing that one than the other one?
Better. It's still not great.
Right. So, and I mean, we're in the fitness industry. We're exercising, we're working out, we're eating right. We're also spending a lot of time at a desk doing content. So we have the same issues. And these are the exercises that we do, and I know I need to do a lot more of every day to fix that, you know, make the posture correction and fix that, that droopiness and that sagginess, okay? And like I said, these only take a few minutes. You know, you can do it for at least once a day. You can certainly fit it in 2 to 3 times a day. And the more you're able to be consistent with it, the more quickly you're going to see and feel the results. You're going to start to actually feel a lot more awake. That's what I noticed. You feel more, all of a sudden it's like the oxygen is sort of able to get everywhere it needs to. You feel more awake. My head isn't hurting anymore. I've got, like, everything's a little more clear. I'm just feeling better. And definitely you're gonna notice that tension is going to alleviate, particularly in your neck and your lower back. Okay, so there you have it. 3 amazing posture correction exercises you can do to fix that ugly forward head posture look and those drooping shoulders. For the full 10, you want to click that pinned comment below to get the Forward Head Posture full program. 10 exercises you can do anywhere. They only take a couple minutes a day. You are going to look 10 years younger. You're going to feel 10 years younger. You're also going to look 10 pounds lighter just by doing these very simple exercises to correct your posture. So click that link. Make sure you get the program. You're going to feel incredible. I'm Coach Tonya. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of our fantastic content. We'll be right back.